Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's JASMY video update. Now remember last time that I talked about the last two videos was related about how JASMY is making two patterns, one being the bear flag and one being a diamond bottom, right? So unfortunately what I do see now is that as you're approaching weekend and as Bitcoin is looking, this is to me nothing more than a squeeze happening right now, but I do see some sort of a flag here. I don't know if I saw it on the 4-hour time frame, but perhaps it's going to be pretty clear on the 4-hour time frame at the moment. But you are still, however, finding some support right now, and you're necessarily not losing everything, but you are about to lose everything. So you do have some few touches, one here, second here, third one there, fourth one right over here. So yeah, we're looking for all this support level to be respected at the moment, but it's only a matter of time before we actually have anything bad in the coming future. At the moment, I'm just going to remove some of the drawings I just messed up here. Yep, so it's actually hard on the phone when you don't navigate anything. Now I'm going to go into the daily time frame, however, and click on the daily. Yeah, so here we are. I do see one squeeze coming in pretty much for the coin, but before I talk about that, you see, this inverted hammer was not supposed to be lost. The lowest part of inverted hammer that you had, this one right over there, was never meant to be taken away. And now that you're taking away this inverted hammer, that doesn't really look good to me. Okay, it does seem that the interest shows to move lower and lower, and you're having the prices squeeze tighter and tighter right there, and then you have this one coming in like this. So that's almost like a pennant, and it's a continuation pattern of a descending triangle. And unfortunately what I do see is that if that's a continuation pattern that you're putting in, that's going to take you to a technical target of from there to there. We're looking about the next technical target of the next drop is coming down to nearly 0.06567, and that's where you might end up next week. Starting the drops might start from tomorrow as well. So it's going to be a huge drop, and that's going to take you all the way down for 36, 27%, 26% dump to the downside. And that's what I do see at the moment right now on the charts. Of course, the better scenario right now is that if you do end up breaking out, then you might want to actually break out of here and move to the upside. That would be the favorable scenario. Now keep in mind that it's not confirmed just yet. You're still inside the triangle, so it's really important to break out of the triangle right now. And that means that when you see JASMY coming to 8716, then that probably shows the willingness to move even lower. And that's pretty much it for this update on JASMY. I'm going to see you